Science and Technology, Standard 10, Part 2. First lesson, Heredity and Evolution. What is the heredity or inheritance? Is the transfer of biological character from one generation to another via genes. In heredity, we can find two words, biological character and genes. What is the biological character? Biological character means it's a physical and mental character of parents. Genes is a nucleotide sequence present in the DNA molecule. What is the DNA molecule or how it is made up of? DNA molecule is made up of two helical strands consisting of deoxyribose sugar, phosphoric acid and pair of nitrogenous bases. Evolution. Evolution is a gradual change occurring in a living organism over a long duration. In evolution, there are the two main theories, Darwin's and Lamarck's. History of genetics. In year 1986, John Gregor Mendel, who was the pioneer of the modern genetics, he had lots of contribution on pea plant to explain hereditary character. In 1901, Hugo de Vries gave a mutational theory and he understood the reason behind the sudden changes. In 1902, Walter Schutton observed the paired chromosome in the cells of grasshopper. What is a chromosome? A chromosome is made up of nucleic acid and proteins present in the nucleus of these cells are the components that carry hereditary character in living organisms. 1944, trio of scientists Oswald Avery, Maclean McCarthy and Colin MacLeod proved that all living organisms have DNA as a genetic material except viruses. In 1961, Francois Jacob and Jacques Monod proposed a model for process of protein synthesis with the help of DNA in bacterial cells. 1968, Dr. Hargobind Khurana was discovered of triplet codon for 20 amino acid and he got the Nobel Prize also. We can study some of the uses of science of heredity. It is used in diagnosis process. It is used for treatment and prevention of hereditary disorders and it is also used in production of hybrid varieties of animals and plants. Nowadays, we can see that science of heredity are also used in industrial process in which different types of microbes are used. Transcription. Synthesis of messenger RNA as per the nucleotide sequence present on the DNA molecule is called the process of transcription. As we know that this whole process we can explain in detail. Genes control the structure and functioning of cells of the body. Information about protein synthesis is stored in the DNA and synthesis of appropriate protein as per the requirement is necessary for body. These proteins are synthesized by DNA through the RNA. This is called a central dogma. The process of obtaining protein by the DNA with the help of RNA is called as a central dogma. और अदर वर्ड में हम लोग ये कह सकते हैं कि RNA की मदद से जो DNA प्रोटीन बनाता है उस प्रक्रिया को सेंट्रल डोग्मा कहते हैं. Messenger RNA is produced as per the sequence of nucleotide on DNA. Only one of the two strands of DNA is used in this process. As we know that DNA have a two strands, out of two, one is used in this process. The sequence of nucleotides in messenger RNA being produced is always complementary to the DNA strand used for synthesis. Conversion of uracil in RNA instead of thymine of DNA. This process of RNA synthesis is called a transcription. This transcription process occurs in nucleus. After completing of transcription process, it comes in cytoplasm. Messenger RNA brings the coded message for DNA. The message contains the codes for amino acids. What do you mean amino acid? Amino acid is a substance that are found in animals and plants and that combine to form a substance that is necessary for a healthy body and for a growth. As we know that for a living organism growth and for making their health, it's very compulsory to have amino acid in their body. The code for each amino acid consists of 3 nucleotides. It is called as a triplet codon. In 1968, Har Govind Khurana got Nobel Prize for discovery of triplet codon for 20 amino acids. Translation. Synthesis of proteins from RNA. This is we call as a translation. Translation process occur in the cytoplasm. Each messenger RNA is made up of thousands of triplet codon. As per the message on messenger RNA, amino acids are supplied by tRNA for the translation process. tRNA has an anticodon having a complementary sequence to the codon on messenger RNA. This is called the translation. Translocation. It is a very simple. The ribosomes keeps on moving from one end of the messenger RNA to the other end by the distance of one triplet codon. This is called as a translocation. For in this process, we explain in detail the amino acids brought in by tRNA are bonded together by a peptide bond with the help of rRNA. tRNA द्वारा अमाइनो एसिड्स लाया जाता है. इन अमाइनो एसिड्स को rRNA की मदद से पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड द्वारा बांधा जाता है. What is mean by peptide bonds? Peptide bond is a protein chain, or a peptide bond is an amide type of a covalent chemical bond linking two consecutive alpha amino acid from C1 of one alpha amino acids and N2 of another along as a peptide. Such many chains come together to form a complex protein. These proteins control various functions in the body of living organism and their appearance too. Mutation is a sudden change occurring in the genetic material. That means we call it a mutation. In living organism can produce new individuals like themselves due to a genes only, and some of those genes are transmitted to the next generation without any changes. But if there is a mutation in any nucleotide, then there are changes in the characteristics of offspring. Mutation are two types: minor level of mutations and major level of mutation. We can take the minor mutations can cause genetic disorders. Such genetic disorders will only be passed down to offspring. If the mutation happening in the sex chromosome, we can find the disease like a sickle cell anemia. This is an everlasting process, and it is one of the proof for Darwin's theory of natural